Well, hey guys, my name's Jeff.
My name is Jeff.
Welcome to the channel. Today I want to talk with you about Celsius energy drink. I'm actually drinking a Galaxy Vibe as I make this video. Woo! I made a video about this just about a week ago. So I'm doing a follow-up here for you guys because I've been thinking about this company a lot, mainly because I bought several cans of this stuff to make my video last week. This is still cold. I just got out of the fridge. Tropical Vibe is one of the flavors in my fridge. Then Galaxy Vibe, that's the one I'm drinking. I've got a green apple, cherry, and a couple more. I'm not going to name all the flavors, but the deal is these are really good drinks. I like them. I think I might be addicted.
Listen, I didn't want to say this, but I'm gonna tell you. I think he's addicted.
CJ?
They give me a energy. They give me kind of a good feeling energy, but it's not a nervous, caffeinated energy. If I drink too much coffee or some of the other energy drinks, I tend to feel a little jittery. But that's why I've been thinking about the company, because I like the drink. And when I have a can of this, I think, maybe I should invest in this company. Because, you know, like Peter Lynch says, invest in what you know. And I think that there's a lot to be said. Like, if I'm feeling this way about it and I like it, and I've read some of these Amazon reviews about the drink, and people on Amazon, they seem to really like it too. So I'm thinking maybe this is something that you and I and other investors who can actually try this stuff have an edge or a leg up, one up on Wall Street, because maybe the analysts on Wall Street are not as in tune with kind of the trends with these drinks. So let me just explain to you something. First off, not investment advice, okay? I'm just sharing with you my experience and my learning here. So let me tell you something I noticed about the stock price. This stock on March 13th was selling at $96 a share. The price earnings ratio was hovering near 100, which is a really high PE in my opinion. 1 month later, on April 22nd, it had gone from $96 to $69. And then a month later, it went up to $96 again. So obviously this stock was trading in a kind of symmetrical pattern of going 96, 69, 96, and now it's come down and it's at 57. So it's actually gone down even more. So would I buy this stock? Personally, I wouldn't, because the price earnings ratio as of now is 62.61 PE. And I just think that is really expensive. I think what's happening is investors are still expecting this company to just do gangbusters, just sell like crazy and increase market share over the next several months and years. And it's a really competitive industry, okay? I think it's very hard for an energy drink like Celsius to kind of own a big part of the market. I think what's more realistic is companies like Energy and Monster Beverage and Rockstar and Celsius are all kind of trying to get each other's customers, trying to improve their market share, trying to get on the shelves in the convenience stores. And I don't think any of them are going to necessarily own this industry. I think they're just going to kind of try to take market share. And because of that, I don't think of these as any of them as possessing any really special characteristics. And as a result, they're kind of commodities. And I know as investors, we don't like to think of our special drinks that we enjoy so much as just being commodities. But I think people who go to a convenience store and want an energy drink, if they don't find Celsius, they'll buy Monster or they'll buy Red Bull or something like that, and that'll be fine. So in any case, I just wanted to make this video because I think, you know, my own desire sometimes is just to buy a stock like this just to have it. And I think that if you pay too much for a stock, there's always that chance that you lose money. So that's kind of the first rule of investing, is not to lose money. And I think there is a danger if you buy a stock like this at a high price to earnings multiple, that the stock may still have some distance to fall. And again, I'm not giving advice on this. There's, nobody knows what's going to happen, and anything can happen in markets. There's a possibility this thing bounces off of where it is right now and goes through the moon. But I just personally, I look at every investment as an opportunity cost. So if I take some of my money and put it into Celsius, there are all these other stocks that I'm not putting the money into. And from what I understand and from what I've researched, I have a list of like 15 other stocks that I think are priced better and that I understand better and that have a competitive advantage within their sector. So it's going to be hard for a different company to come along and take their market share. So I would rather put my money into companies that have that kind of a moat, a durable competitive advantage, rather than buy stock of a company that could easily be replaced with another energy drink like Monster or Red Bull or Rockstar or what have you. But having said that, I really do enjoy these drinks. I like them. I could recommend that you try one if you haven't, because I do find that they give me a little bit of a pickup, especially, towards the end of the day, if I'm, have done a lot of work and I still have a bunch of stuff that I just need to get out the door. This is a enjoyable and energy-fueled adventure ride in a beverage, in a can. So might be worth trying. The flavors are kind of nice. I don't even remember the flavors. I just know that when I drink them, I'm like, oh, that's pleasant. Not too bad, not too sweet, just right, kind of Goldilocks zone. So that's what I have to share with you. Have you ever had this beverage? If so, let me know what you think about it. And if you own the stock or you're thinking about buying the stock, what are your thoughts about the trend that it's in right now of going up and going down and going up and going down, and also the valuation? Is this something you're going to jump into now, or are you thinking of investing at a lower price? Anyways, always curious how you guys find these videos. If you're not a subscriber, maybe you were just searching YouTube for stuff about Celsius Energy and you found this video. And if that's what happened, let me know. I love to hear how you guys find out about my channel and my videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.